Hi everyone, I am Satish and welcome back to In Simple Terms. Today we are going to make sense of three tech words that sounds complicated but are actually logical when you look under the hood. The three words are tokens, embedding and transformers. These are the building blocks of modern AI, and once you understand them, you will see why tools like ChatGPT feel so smart. Before we start, a simple question. How does AI take a sentence from you, understand what you mean, and reply like a human having a conversation? It's not magic, it's patterns, very large patterns. And to work with language, the AI first needs to convert it into pieces it can process. That's where the tokens come into picture. Tokens are just small pieces of text. AI does not read sentences like we do. It breaks them into chunks. Think of cutting breads into slices so it's easier to eat. Same thing. AI slices text into tokens. Sometimes a token is a full word, sometimes half a word, or sometimes even punctuation. AI does not think in paragraphs, it thinks in tokens. But recognizing pieces is not enough. AI needs to understand meaning, similarity, context, and relationship. That's where embedding comes into picture. Embeddings are how AI represent meanings using numbers, not to confuse us but to compare ideas. Think of it. There is a word placed on a giant 3D map. Words that mean similar things sit close together. For example, coffee is near tea, laptop is near computer, and banana is very far away from bank account password. That's how AI knows which word belongs together and which ones are completely unrelated. Embedding is meaning converted into measurable space. Now the fun part, transformers. Transformers are the engine that changed the entire AI field. Earlier models read text one word at a time, slow, linear, easy to lose meaning. Transformers said, what if every word could look at every other word? Boom! Context is unlocked now. The ability is called attention, and it lets AI understand relationship in text. Instead of reading it like a robot, it reads like a human who understands the context. Now let's think of a realistic example. You ask the AI, draft an email to my team informing them about Monday's meeting at 10 am and request some project updates. Here is what happens inside. Tokens break the sentence into small chunks like draft, email, team, Monday, 10 am updates. Embedding converts them into meanings. Team relates to co-workers, Monday relates to date, 10 am is time, project update is status related to work. Transformers connect all the pieces, understand the overall intent, assign attention to key parts, and generate a clear structured email. Something like, hi team, just a reminder, we have our meeting on Monday at 10 am. Please come prepared with your project updates. It sounds natural because the model has learned real life writing patterns from billions of sentences. So the heart of it is simple. Tokens break text into digestible pieces, embedding help AI understand meaning, and transformers connect everything with attentions to generate coherent responses. Put them together and words become conversations. Modern AI is not alive. It doesn't think like us. It predicts the next token based on massive patterns. But when the patterns are big enough and the architecture is smart enough, the results feels like intelligence. I am Satish, and this was Embedding, Tokens and Transformers. No maths, no jargon, no overload, just clarity and simple terms. Thanks for listening to In Simple Terms with Satish. Subscribe, share this with a friend, and join me again as we continue to make the complicated simple. Thank you.